Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here looking at Tesla. All right, favorite stock of mine. I like it a lot. I've been accumulating, and now I have sufficient amount of shares. I can play some options. So here we go. So I think Tesla's in a really good spot. Not sure it's going to go up or down. Not a lot going on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a put at 230 and I call it 235. All right, you can see I'm long 100 shares in this account. Pretty good. But I'm going to make $2,500 for the month, which is pretty darn good. So let's send this out into the ether and see how it does. All right, we've got plenty of buying power and it looks good, so I'm going to say send. And that thing filled instantaneously because everybody loves Tesla. Everybody loves to trade Tesla. So let's go look at our position. All right, here's our position in Tesla. I just made a quick 2,500. So it's not bad, I guess. And let's see, be sure you guys subscribe and join the channel for my real-time stock trades to see how I get out of this mess. All right. Anyway, that's all I have for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.